Hey guys, this is Dan LaPerry, and today I'm going to go over the software management system for getting five-star reviews for your business and managing your reputation online. So basically, a lot of people, when we talk about that, they're like, what are you talking about managing your reputation online? So basically, you can take any local business and go online and pull them up, and you're probably going to see some reviews on those businesses. So case in point, let's just kind of go out there and let's um, let's pull up plumbers. Okay, so right here, you're going to see right here in this is what we call the three pack. You've got Pack West, Accurate Plumbing in this one right here. These guys have actually one review for Google. This is going to be a Google review, obviously. And these guys have five. These guys have none. So your eye is drawn to these. These guys are obviously getting good reviews. This one's a 4, and this one's a 5. This one's nothing. So if we click into here, it's going to bring the Google page up of Ashland Medford Plumbing. And what we see is one review. We can read it, see what these people say, and obviously everything looks good. But that's only one person. That's only one review. Most businesses need to get as many reviews as possible because the average person, I think about 87% was the last statistic in 2017, actually trust online reviews. So this is a big deal. And so if you have negative reviews, let's go down and see if we can see some reviews that aren't so great. A lot of businesses in here aren't doing a very good job. We're actually seeing 3 stars, no stars, a lot of those. And so that's not good. Those guys are getting, obviously not getting the lion's share of the calls. So ask yourself this, if you pulled these guys up and there was a guy that had 25 reviews and they were all very positive and another guy didn't, you'd probably go with the one that did. And that's just human nature because humans are smart. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to go out and I'm going to show you how this works. And this is amazing because most business owners, they don't have the time to have this set up and ask their people for reviews, and then half the time the people don't even know where to go to do it. And so what happens is the only reason this usually comes to their attention is because they see a poor review written about their business and they get upset about it. But there's a way to make sure at least 99% of the time that doesn't happen, and that's by using our review software. Very affordable, and once it's in place, it's magic. So basically, this is your dashboard. You can come in and log in, and in one place, you can see every single review that on 100 different high quality sites out there like DexKnows.com, YP.com, CitySearch.com, Mana.com, Yelp.com, Google.com, even Facebook. It'll pull the Facebook reviews in. And there's internal reviews, which we want them to use with our software because then we push it out to Google and Yelp and things like that. So basically, this is your dashboard, and there's a lot of stuff here. We're not going to go in depth to the dashboard right now. We're just going to kind of show you how this software works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out to one of our customers here, and this is their website. So what they do is they actually tell the people, hey, your feedback is very important to us. We just like to use this as a customer service tool and not really even call it a review. Can you let us know how we did? Go to our website and click on reviews, and if you can write us a review and let us know how we did, that'd be wonderful. So what we do is when anybody ever goes on your website and does that, we stream their review here as long as it's at least a 4-star review. If it's not a 4-star review and it's under that 3-star or under, what we do is we just send that to your email so you can maybe look at what the problem was and contact that customer and take care of it before it becomes a problem. So the cool thing is we stream the good ones right here, so people don't even need to go out and look at your reviews because they're right here on your website. We actually stream them to Facebook too. It's really cool, but only the good ones. Remember, we filter that. And so basically, here's kind of a really quick way it happens. Come in here, you write a review. You put your name. This automatically filled it out. It doesn't have to. Your address, the town you're living in, and you can basically give them a 1 through 5 stars. We're going to kind of just, for the sake of time, I'm going to show you this really quick. Okay. So basically, I just wrote a quick review, and it's a good one. So here's what happens. When I submit that,
Hello, and thank you for leaving a positive review. We work incredibly hard to ensure each person gets top quality customer service, and we really appreciate your feedback. Our reputation is the lifeblood of our business, and it would be really helpful if you could spread the word about your positive experience a little further. On this page, you will find instructions and links to other popular review sites. Many people have left positive reviews, and if you could leave a review on one of these sites, it would mean a world of difference to our staff and us.
okay, that's basically it. So you come down here, and what we do is we went with Google and Facebook because that's what they wanted to build. We can put anything down here, but I would probably go Google, Facebook, and you can actually put Yelp. We do not like to put more than two because it starts to confuse people. In fact, maybe you use one for a month like Google, change it out to Facebook the next and Yelp the next. Those are the big three. So basically, all you do is click on here or come in here, copy that, go out to one of these sites here and paste it, and boom, you're done. So that's how easy it is. Really cool. Now, watch this. If we had put, we're not going to do it, but if we had put or written a review that wasn't so splendid, then this same spokesmodel would come up and basically say that she's sorry that we had a less than adequate experience, and one of our people will reach out to you and find out what the problem was. So really cool customer service management tool there. I was going to go back to here. So one other aspect, and like I said, there's so much to this that I'm not going to go in it because I don't want to make this video too long. You got your reporting, you got your feedback and ratings from everywhere. I mean, you know where they're coming in a glance. But you go to contacts, and all the people who have given you reviews are in here. But what you can do is you can basically get people's information when they're there in your store, or your attorney or whatever, and you can actually send them out an email asking them to let you know how the service was, so that you can follow up. And it makes you look good as a business owner because it makes you look like you really care about how you're doing after the sale, or after the visit. So basically, so easy to do. You click on the plus sign, you put in the person's name, put a last name if you want, you don't have to. You put in their email, and then you tick I have permission. You don't need to really fill out anything else. You click on add review sequence. So those two things, and then you submit. That's all you do. And so that's in there. So here's the cool thing. So now you can go through here and look at who has not given you a good review or has not given you a review. Jesse has not given a review. So you can tick on that, and then you can actually click on send special notification. It's all set up for you. We do that behind the scenes. And what it does is it basically sends out an email to that customer asking them to please let you know how you did. Now, if they do not do that, or they just don't open it or let it go, 3 days later, it'll be a follow-up one basically saying, hey, did you forget about us? And then a week later, if they did not do it then, it'll send out a last one, but that's it. It won't bother them more than that. A lot of times people open their email, they look at that, they want to do it, but they are at work or they can't do it right now. They want to take a minute to do it right then, so they'll come back. But sometimes they forget. So this has a 3 email sequence in about a 10-day period if they do not write it. This is the best way we know to get reviews on a continual basis, because in today's online fast I need information now society, where they need a plumber, they need this or they need that, they go right to their phone and the first thing they're going to see are reviews. We want to make sure that we give you good reviews, 5-star reviews, and filter out the bad ones and let you be able to actually see your reviews in real time. And with this software, it's super easy to do. It's streamlined. We do it all for you, set it up, and show you, take 5 minutes to show you how you guys can take care of it from there. And then we're always there to help. So if you're interested, get back to us, and we'd We'd love to show you more and answer all your questions. Thanks, guys.